actually filmed making this star video a long time ago, but I published it as a compilation video of 5 Christmas decorations you could make at home. But I think that this is one of the coolest holiday DIY projects that I have seen. I actually leave it up on my house year round, not here, but outside. So I thought it deserved a video of its own. So if you want to see how this giant star was born, stay tuned. I started by cutting 10 pieces at 2 feet and then cut angles at each end. First, turn your miter to 18 degrees and turn your wood so that it is perpendicular to your body. I just made a little jig to help keep my board perfectly straight, and then I made all of my 18-degree cuts. Then I turned my saw to 36 degrees, turned my wood back the other way, and made all of my 36-degree cuts. The longest side of the board should be closest to your body. Next, I used my pocket hole jig and put 2 holes in one end of each piece as shown. Then I used 1-inch pocket screws to assemble it. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, if you're interested in other super trendy, budget-friendly ways to decorate your home, make sure you hit that subscribe button.